What's up, YouTube? It's your favorite girl, Christine. I'm trying to be quiet because hubby's asleep and I'm about to make him breakfast in bed. So, y'all with me? Okay. As I make a whole bunch of noise. Anyway, I'm gonna heat my pan heating up with some butter. I already have my pancakes in the bowl. I don't use water, I use milk, y'all. So I'm just gonna pour a little bit of milk in here. And I'm gonna mix it up until the right consistency. Some people like their pancakes like more liquidy. You can do it however. This is obviously too thick, so I'm gonna have more milk. I usually be making cooking videos, but today I figured why not do them a little breakfast video. Yeah, so don't mind the PJs, don't mind the messed up hair, don't mind anything. Turn on a little bit more milk. Alright, now your pancake mix is good. This is how your pancake mix should look. I already my pan. It's heating up. I'm gonna turn it, it's on low heat. I'm gonna take my you see how my things heating up. I'm gonna take my pancake mix. I'm not making them big because I'm gonna make them into a sandwich. You're all gonna see what I'm about to do. Cook up a little bit. I have my turkey sausage in the microwave. I'm gonna heat that up in a minute. Yo, my hair is crazy. I'm gonna let these cook, and then once I flip them, I'll be right back. Okay, y'all? Stay tuned. Real quick, y'all need to drink this. I get a light, get you some OJ, okay? I'll be right back. Y'all, they're turning out amazing. This was the first time I flipped them. And then I'm gonna keep making them, and then I'll show you guys the next step I'm gonna do. Be right back. Alrighty, y'all, so I'm finishing up the last little bit of pancakes. Those are finished up. I'm gonna go ahead and start mixing my eggs. All I have to do is just some eggs and some butter. The butter just helps make the eggs more creamy once I cook them. And I already added salt and pepper. Now that that's done, I'm gonna flip these two, and then I'm gonna show you all what I do with the eggs. Be right back. Alright, so I'm doing my eggs. They're about ready to be flipped. It's okay if it varies because I'm gonna put it on 2 separate sandwiches. While that's going, I'm gonna go ahead and start my sausage. I'm gonna heat it up in the microwave first, and then I'm gonna throw it down on the griddle to get it like dark a little. I'm gonna put it on for 2 minutes. I'll let that go. Those aside, because that's everything in. I'm done with this. I'm going to show y'all the sausage, and then I'm gonna put everything together and I'll show y'all everything. Be right back. Okay, so my sausages are heating up, cooking, just trying to get them cooked through. And then once those are done, I'm gonna put them onto the sandwich, and I'm gonna show y'all what the finished product looks like, and then I'm gonna go somewhere. It's gonna be in bed, okay? Okay, y'all, so I just finished up my breakfast in bed sandwich. I have my 2 pancakes as the sandwich bread, and then I have my egg, and then I have my 2 pieces of sausage. I'm gonna drizzle this bad boy with some maple syrup. I have my fresh orange juice here. I'm gonna go surprise hubby in bed with his breakfast. Y'all stay tuned for another video. I might cook tonight, possibly, not quite sure yet. But still, thank you for the support. Thank you guys for following us. I know y'all enjoyed our last video. Hopefully we can do that again soon. But yeah, don't worry about my messy shirt. Sorry, y'all. I'm a messy cook. Like, comment, subscribe. I hope y'all enjoyed. Once again, love y'all. Thank y'all. Peace out.